The Raxium Axial Series white LED mirror turn signal with a clear lens for the 2009 to 2014 F-150 is a perfect option for F-150 owners who want to modernize the look of their truck while improving turn signal visibility with a sleek, clear lens and these bright white LEDs. These white LED mirror turn signals offer a stylish and functional upgrade for your F-150. The bright white LEDs provide enhanced visibility for other drivers, improving safety on the road, especially in those low light or inclement weather conditions. The clear lens design adds a clean, modern aesthetic to your truck, making a perfect fit for those looking to enhance the vehicle's appearance without overwhelming it. The turn signal assembly is a direct replacement for the factory units, ensuring compatibility and a precise fit. The LEDs are very energy efficient, offering long-lasting performance and eliminating the need for any frequent bulb changes. Constructed with high-quality materials, these axial white LED mirror turn signals are built to withstand the rigors of daily driving and exposure to the harsh elements. The clear polycarbonate lenses is durable and impact resistant, while the weather-sealed housing protects the internal components from moisture and debris. This is going to ensure reliable operation in various driving conditions. Now, as far as pricing goes on these white LED mirror turn signals, they're going to come in right around $70 for the pair, making them an affordable yet practical upgrade for your F-150's appearance and safety features. Installing these mirror turn signals is going to be a straightforward process with no special tools or any modifications required. They're designed to directly replace the factory units, making it a plug-and-play installation. So on our difficulty meter, we're going to rate this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and you can expect to get this job done in 1 hour or less of your time. Now, let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
All right, all the tools we use to install these lights were a socketing screwdriver, a T20 bit for the screwdriver, there's a pocket knife to pry out the old lights, and a flathead screwdriver to pry off the mirrors. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just bend your mirror all the way down, and then you're just going to pry this off. All right, so after you got your mirrors off, you're going to want to grab these right here one by one and just yank them off. The next thing you're going to do to get these screws out here to get to the light, you're going to want to get a T20 bit, put it on your screwdriver. They should just twist off just like that. Having trouble finding the hole here. Next, you're going to want to pull the shell away from the mirror housing. Just like that. All right, after you get the mirror shell off, you're going to want to get something to pry this reflector off with. Just put it in there, just pop it out just like that. After you take out the old reflector, you're going to want to start your new one by first running these wires through here. Get them all the way through. And then you're just going to want to slide that through there and pop that on. All right, after you install the new light, you're going to want to take the red wire and put it into the right hole, with the black wire into the left hole, just like that. After that, you're going to want to take out the old harness and just pull it out just like that. After you get that done, you're going to want to put this into here, lining up short to tall, tall to short, just like that. After you get that done, you're going to put the wiring harness back into here just like we started, line it up, just like that. After you do that, you're going to want to line this up. The top of this go right there, and you're just going to plug that into the light we just put in. After you get that done, you're just going to want to put the shell back onto the mirror and snap it in. You got to really make sure to snap it in right here. All right, after you make sure it works, you're going to want to put all 4 screws back in the holes, just like that. All right, next you're gonna put these wires back into where they came from. Black goes on right, green goes on left, just like that. After that, you're just gonna pop your mirror back on. Make sure you read that left to right, so it's on the right side on. Pop it back on, just like that.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Raxium Axial Series white LED mirror turn signals with clear lenses for the 2009 to 2014 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.